connected factories, preventative maintenance, dramatic cost reduction, lower risk and improved profitability. That's what smart manufacturing technologies can do for you today. The UK is the 9th largest manufacturer in the globe, but only 24th in robotic and automation adoption. This has to change. The UK manufacturers have to digitise and fast. The key to digitisation is data, both how you collect it and then how you use it. Everyone knows Schneider Electric is a household name for energy management and industrial automation. Fewer people know what we've done in our own facilities. So let me tell you and show you how we've managed to transform our own organisation with the utilisation of digital technologies. Point 1, technology is great, but we can't solve the challenge just with technology. Because the challenge is really about people and culture and how you get your teams better aligned to solve those challenges. At Schneider Electric, we utilised our own augmented reality. And what this did in practice was allow our operators and allow our technicians to better optimise the machine. Because now we have a digital representation of that machine that allows both our operators and our technicians to collaborate in a way they weren't able to do before. Previously, the data that was on the shop floor went straight to the technicians. Now the operator on the shop floor can see the data, and we've empowered the operator to make those decisions in real time on the shop floor. So now with the data sitting on the shop floor, that has now brought an organisational change for us within our facilities. Imagine what that could mean for your own organisation, where your operators will be empowered to make decisions. And we have many examples of the changes that we've made, and the aggregate of all these changes has been significant for Schneider Electric. We want to share all of these learnings with our manufacturing customers. So how does a manufacturer start that journey to digitisation? The first step is to organise your company and get the right culture in place. The second step is to invest in diversity of thinking and people. And the third piece is to start small, but think big. So when it comes to culture, we really need to change the way our people think. So we now need to think in a way that is more transversal. So the responsibility of sustainability and driving to carbon net zero is at everybody's table. So by having the data, more of your people will be able to make better decisions. Are you ready to empower your people to make better decisions? And are you ready to hear their views? So because more people now can see the data, we need a more diverse team. This will allow your organisation to look at the data from many different perspectives and give us a true reflective output of what the data is telling your company. So now you have the culture in place. Now you have the diverse teams in place. So now start small. Think of that machine, think of that process line we can pay particular attention to. Collect the data, present the data to your teams so that they can start to make some small decisions, but make changes to your organisation, making you more effective. So once we start to understand the data and the rewards that come from it, now is the time to drive that change throughout the organisation. So start small, fail fast, and scale. Minimising the risk, but maximising the opportunity. So digitisation isn't just about profitability and efficiency, it's also about sustainability. Digital technologies make the invisible visible. You can now measure unit of production per kilowatt hour. You can see it, you can refine it, and now you can reduce it. That allows you significant energy savings. In fact, by 2025, we would have saved our customers over 800 gigatons of carbon emissions, which is twice the UK's annual emissions. We're a global leader in energy management and industrial automation, and through the experiences that we've learned in our own factories and our own facilities, we can help you make the change, both from a technology and a cultural perspective. So why not come and see one of our own smart factories where we demonstrate how to best use technologies to optimise our own plants. Our smart factories are Lighthouse recognised by the World Economic Forum which is an award for the work that we've done in transforming our own facilities, using the technology, but also embracing the differences that we have in our own teams to turn diversity into our advantage. Please do visit us at one of our showrooms and innovation hubs, like the one I'm in here today at Coventry, where we'll help you understand how to better utilise technology in both your buildings and your operations to help you become more effective. And whilst you're here, we'll sit down with you. We'll work out what your strategy needs to look like, not just from a technology perspective, but also how do you address the cultural and people challenges within your organisation too. Well, we have one of our consultants ready to help you transform your business and start on the journey of digitisation.